Hi and welcome to my channel Diced and Spiced. Today we'll be making a bakery pastry called the Dil Pasand or the Dil Kush. This is also called a stuffed coconut bun. It is an Indian version of a dry fruit and nut pie. This is a dish that equally appeals to both adults and kids. Let's see how to make the Dil Pasand. 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, 3 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, a tablespoon of yeast. Mix them well. Add 2 tablespoons of melted butter, a 1/4 cup of milk. Mix them well again. Make it into a nice and soft dough. Knead it at least for 5 minutes continuously. Smear some butter on top. Close it with a cling wrap and let it rest for at least an hour. Take a hot pan, add half a tablespoon of ghee. I've taken about 10 to 15 cashews and 10 to 15 almonds. Chop them thoroughly. Roast it slightly till the raw smell is gone and transfer it to a cup. In the same pan, after you switch off the flame, add 7 tablespoons of desiccated coconut powder. Add a few tablespoons of water. Now add different colors of Tutti Frutti. This would be around a cup. Add the chopped nuts. Add a pinch of cardamom powder. Mix them well. Remember that we are mixing this after we switch off the flame. Now add half a cup of jam. Any jam of your choice. I have used strawberry jam here. Now we are going to check on the dough. It's been an hour since we made it. We can see that it is risen. Punch it and knead it again for another 5 minutes. Wrap it again with the cling wrap and rest it for another half an hour or 45 minutes. Now we can see a superb and soft dough. Knead it again and separate the dough into 2 parts, a bigger ball and a smaller one. First take the bigger ball of dough and using a rolling pin, flatten it out into a thin disc. First we grease the pan with butter. Press it gently inside and poke it with a fork. Poke it thoroughly. We take a 1/4 teaspoon of butter and smear it on the dough. Now take about 1 tablespoon of jam and spread it around. Take the dry fruit and nut mixture and start filling the pan. Press it gently while you fill it. Now take the smaller ball of dough and make a similar disc. Cover the pan with this piece of dough. Pinch the sides. Take a knife and make an X-shaped cut on top of the dough. Brush the top of the dough liberally with this milk and butter mixture. Make sure that no part of the dough is left dry. Now this goes into a preheated oven at 370 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. The delicious, rich and wholesome pastry Dil Pasand is ready. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and for more such content, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.